you need to change or switch yarn balls while knitting your project because there's a color change or because the ball you were working with is over, you will have to make the change at the beginning of the row. To switch the yarn ball for one of a different color, pass the strand with which you were working behind the needle and hold it with your left hand index finger. Pick the new color strand and don't forget to leave a few inches tail of yarn in order to weave it in. Grab both strands with your left hand finger. When switching yarn balls, always work the first stitch. Do not slip the stitch. Start working the row with the new color. If the color changes are up to 2 rows, it's better not to cut the strands. Finishing the garment will be much more easier.